Understanding your production health status is key for driving continuous improvement. Bottlenecks are not always obvious and can cost you dearly. Therefore, having performance visibility at all times, anywhere, is crucial to organising your day and performing optimisation initiatives. What if you had a performance overview with all your applications just a fingertip away? You would instantly benefit from the speed and simplicity of the information and omnipresent insights. How do we do this? ALTURE Optimize provides you with statistics on all your applications, sorted by the not OK rate as well as the actual number of not OKs. With this, you can easily identify the bottleneck applications. But that's not all. By drilling down one more level, ALTURE also highlights the actual cause of the not OK tightening, including all relevant information such as not OKs over time and recommendations on how to solve these issues. Additionally, you are presented with the most common not OK events throughout your production, which gives you clear visibility and production transparency. Benefit from speed and simplicity of information, providing you with the full production visibility in the palm of your hand. ALTURE, powered by data, optimized by Atlas Copco.